Hey everyone, it's Tyler with the Dauber Stopper Home Care team. And once again, we're here and today we're going to talk about condensers. How can you help your condenser live a little bit longer? Well, one of the main components in there are your compressor and your coil. Your condensing coil, probably the most important. Your compressor works the hardest though. We'll think of it as the heart to your unit, okay? This is how dirty the inside of your condenser can get. And the reason it is because it has this open top that has to have breathing room. I'm gonna pull this off and we're actually gonna put a shop vac through there and we're gonna clean it out a little bit so we can get some more breathing room. You wanna have about 1 to 2 foot radius all the way around your condenser so it can pull in that outside air. Check out this side over here. The right side of the unit has less than 6-inch clearance. It's not being able to breathe a lot here. So we want to get that landscaper out here to trim this back at least a foot. That way we can have some breathing room from this condenser. I want to look in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this shop vac and I'm going to go ahead and clean all of this out so we can get some breathing room. Now also take a water hose and scan up and down these fins. What it's doing is pushing the dirt and debris outside of the coil, all right? It's pulling all that out so it can breathe. Now be very careful, these fins are very, very fragile. About once a year, you're gonna wanna come out here and just run that water like this. It's gonna push out on this side, it'll create like a chocolate milk effect. If you get the chocolate milk effect, you have a dirty coil, so you're doing a great job. And I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to clean this thing out. Take a look at how much cleaner it looks. Now we can actually see our lines here. We can see the wires coming through. It doesn't hurt to grab a water hose while you're here. You already have it off. Just go ahead and give it a good clean like you're washing your car. You see this little black stuff around the skinny line and the big line? All right, that's your high pressure and low pressure lines that your refrigerant flows through. This is copper. That needs to have black armor flex on it. And it's just like your exposed PVC pipes. You don't want those to bust, crack, or anything like that. So in order to keep it from freezing up, you want to keep it insulated. Now we're going to follow that back out of the unit and into the wall. So if you follow over with me, this comes out of the unit and we obviously want to clear up all of this debris as well. Now if you had the water hose and the brush, that would have done that at the beginning of the day. Okay? So look at this armor flex. You want to make sure that there's nothing in it that's broken, torn. If it's not, you can get you some black duct tape to wrap around it. All right? Make sure your line's in good and not kinked. One of the most important things also, when we talk about keeping pests out with the Dauber Stopper product, this is a great idea. Cover up the space, put some spray foam, that way animals, pests, and anything like that can't get into your home from another entry point. That should just about do it today with the condenser work. So these are all simple tasks. Shop vac, water hose, and 1 screwdriver to get it apart. Once again, this is Tyler signing out with the Dauber Stopper Home Care team. Hope you enjoyed the tips.